everyone, it's Christelle from Permacrafters, and today we'll be talking about garlic mustard, or Alliaria Petiolata. It's a wild edible and medicinal plant in the Brassicaceae family, or the cabbage family. It's native to Europe, Western Asia, and India, and it's also found in North America, where it's considered to be invasive. So today we'll be talking about its defining characteristics, its lookalikes, and finally how to make a delicious garlic mustard lentil spread. And if you want to learn more about its culinary uses and its medicinal properties, make sure to check out our herbal remedies and foraging course. Garlic mustard grows in partial shade, and it's in bloom from April to June, and it can grow up to 40 centimeters to a full meter in height. And the leaves are alternate on the stem, growing at different heights. And the leaves at the base look different from the leaves higher up on the stem. The basal leaves have a long petiole and have a more rounded heart shape, whereas the stem leaves have a more triangular shape. And the leaves have broad, rounded teeth along the margin, but it's irregular. Some curved teeth are small and some of them are big. And the leaves are smooth to the touch with just a few hairs, and if you crush the leaf between your fingers, it'll smell like a mix of garlic, mustard, onion, or cabbage. So the flowers are small, 5 to 10 millimeters, with 4 white petals in the shape of a cross, and they have a strong smell and have 6 stamens that produce the pollen. And finally, the stem is round. So before moving on to lookalikes, I want to remind you that this short video is not your complete guide to foraging. Please be mindful of contaminated sites, of over-harvesting, of lookalikes in your particular region, and always be 100% certain of your plant identification. So there are a few lookalikes, but if you just wait until the flowers are in bloom, it'll be really difficult to get confused. Here in Europe, before it's in bloom, the leaves can look similar to stinging nettle, to white dead nettle, or even to ground ivy, but the leaves on all 3 of those lookalikes are opposite, not alternate. It can also look similar to violet leaves, but these do not have irregular rounded teeth. And those 4 lookalikes are all edible too. And one of the key things to do is to smell the garlic mustard leaves. If it smells oniony, garlicky, cabbagey, that's a great sign. The lookalikes do not have that aroma. And I'll just add 2 more lookalikes in the eastern US to be aware of. At the leaf stage, there's golden ragwort and also crowfoot. All right, let's make our garlic mustard lentil spread. And just make sure not to go overboard with it, because garlic mustard contains glucosinolates, just like broccoli or kale, which is a sulfur-containing compound that can irritate your mucous membranes.